Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a handy feature of the Gmail app that many users overlook. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to effortlessly locate your unread messages, you're in the right place. With our updated guide, you'll never miss an important message again. So, let's get straight into it. First, grab your Android device and open the Gmail app. You'll be greeted by the familiar interface, making it easy to navigate. Next, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see various tabs, and we want to tap on the Chat tab. This step will lead you to all your conversations in one convenient spot. Finally, at the top of the screen, right next to the Home option, you'll see the Unread filter. Give that a tap, and voila! You can now view all your unread messages in one place, making it much easier to catch up on what you've missed. That's all there is to it. Staying organized and on top of your messages has never been this simple. So make sure to check your unread messages regularly and stay connected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.